Water in your basement? Cracked foundation? Unusable, dirty, or wasted space? Don't surrender your basement, reclaim it with Chattanooga Foundation Repair. As an authorized basement systems installer, Chattanooga Foundation Repair can dry out your basement once and for all, create clean spaces with their patented encapsulation system, even finish off your basement to add value and livable space to your home. Get the most out of your basement. Call Chattanooga Foundation Repair today or visit them online at chattanoogafoundationrepair.com.